Hi there, I'm Spenta and today I'm sharing a video of my new chicken coop with you. This here is biscuits and over here I have chocolate, cornbread and nuggets. They are all hens. I have four hens who lay fresh eggs each day. There they are. Fresh water and food each day. I do give them food for hens that are laying eggs, and I also make them some veggie sandwich here and there. They love organic food. They enjoy if you make them rice. They love rice, cooked rice, and they love salad. So I notice my hens love my gardens. Again, I'm Spenta. I love gardening and I decided to raise hens. They are now 1.5 years of age and they're super cute. Super cute. They are totally like pets in my opinion. I raised them inside the house and then now they're out and brought them out. They had some camping days when they were a few weeks of age, and then I introduced them into their coop, and then after that coop I introduced them into this coop. Well, that other coop is a little bit smaller. I'm going to share it with you, and the other coop also was not as good as this coop. Let me show you how great this coop is. So this coop actually has this area where you can open it so they can actually stand out or come out and walk into their area so they can have a run so that your chickens are roaming freely but not in your gardens. And then you can also close it whenever you're done with it, as you don't want them to get out anymore, so you can just close this right here. So it has that option, just that it opens. I like that. And it's larger than the one I had before. That's another good thing about it. Let me go ahead and step back just a little bit. I love that they can walk up off that. Look at that right there. There's a tray that I've taken off of there because the tray is where they usually use the bathroom at, and they stand up there and they perch at nighttime. So I take the tray in the morning time and I let it sit for a little bit, dry, and then I wash it off and clean it. So that's really nice. It has a tray for that, for their perch area. And there they are again. They're always trying to get the grass. As soon as you open this, they're all for the grass. If you lay them anywhere, they will eat all the grass. They love grass and of course vegetation. They're really cute. So here I'm sharing a little bit more of the coop with you. I really like it because, let me explain something. This is more durable and hardy than the coop I had before. I think this is why I really, really like it. The roof is another reason I really like this because, see, as you can see, it's pretty sturdy, unlike the one I had before, and I'll share the other one I had before with you. It's really important to have a sturdy coop because it saves you money in the long run. So that's something I've learned, that it's important to have a good chicken coop so you can save money in the long run, and you don't need to buy a chicken coop back to back to back to back. Now, the chicken coop I had before was for when they were younger. I had them since they were babies, since they were just 2 days of age, and I raised them. So I'm going to share with you a couple more areas. See, this area right here is one area that you can open and see their perch area, okay? This area right here is their gate. Hi there. Oh my goodness, what happened there? There she is. She said, I'm going to take the first step out. I'm going to be the brave one. I'm Chocolate. I'm Chocolate and I can fly up high. Short distance. There she is. If you're just now watching my share, I'm Spenta and I'm sharing my new chicken coop with you guys. I really love my chicken coop and the chickens seem to like it, so that's really, really nice. That's the best thing about it. If they're comfortable hens lay comfortable area, it's very nice because then I get to enjoy their fresh eggs daily. Each one of them lay 1 egg a day. I do not have a rooster, just the 4 hens. Let me show you what their old chicken coop looks like right now. I have the old one right here so I can share it with you, and it is morning time, so my morning glories are blooming. And interesting enough, if you lay a seed anywhere of the morning glory, it'll easily come up. It's such a good plant. So here is my morning glory. Here's my morning glory and my old chicken coop area. So there you go. Such a beautiful color, vibrant and really pretty. I love morning glories. Ipomea purpurea. I am making a heart shape. I have already made one and shared one actually. It's just the fact that I like to work more on it, more and more. So I love gardening. I have shared a video of Ipomea purpurea. If you're interested in gardening, you can definitely check that out. And my new heart-shaped Ipomea purpurea, which is on the other side of my garden. So this is my chicken coop. I'm going to show you real quick. There is Chicolette, who is now venturing out and saying hello. How's it going? And see the roof on this chicken coop right here? I'm not really happy with it because one thing, chickens will get on top of this area. So if you have a cage, which I did, and the cage is where they run, they will actually get on top of this. They're capable of getting on top of this. Well, they pick everywhere, all over the place, right? So as a result of picking, you see what I have? I have this as a result of picking. So let me try to share with you what happens when they pick. And then the weather, when it rains, when it snows, anything that happened, it starts warping. Oh, there is Biscuit. She said, I'm venturing out now. It's my time. However, this here is very sturdy. Look at the material of this roof. I really, really like the roof on my new chicken coop. Definitely am recommending that you invest in buying a chicken coop that's nice, sturdy, and will last, instead of one that has cheaper material. I understand if you can't afford one like that, but perhaps it's not a bad idea to build one from separate pieces. I actually thought about that until I found this chicken coop with the proper pieces and the roof was right. So there's that. They are definitely excited about something. Not sure what's there, but they see what's there. Something is there. And they're all about it. And I have no idea what it is, but this is all they do. They peck, and there you go. There they are, doing their normal thing. There she is. That's it. That's what they do constantly. And they eat, they potty, and then they sleep, and they lay eggs. Really nice hens. Hi there. Hi there. Very friendly. They let me pet them. Just because I pet them from when they were little. So cute. Super cute. That's Biscuit, and this one's Chicolette. And they're after something, and I still can't figure out what they're after. Anyway, as I was sharing with you, their chicken coop is really nice. It's very important to invest in a nice chicken coop if you are wanting to keep your chickens protected from weathering and also from animals that are going to harm them. Anything that you can think of that can get your chicken eggs. It's really nice to have an area, to have a protected area just like this. And of course you can raise this, and that's where they will lay their eggs. This is really good, and it's heavy. It's heavy, so it's not easy to lift, for example, by a raccoon, if you would say so. And we do have lots of animals around here, including rabbits and hawks and falcons. So things are around here. So are my hens. Again, I'm Spenta. I thank you for watching my share. I can't wait to see what's going on, and if they are going to join them in this adventure of finding whatever it is in that area. Thank you so much for watching my share. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you have healthy chickens and healthy eggs and have a wonderful day. And I hope that if you are raising chickens, you do consider investing in a chicken coop that is going to last longer with better material. I'm Spenta, and I wish you a beautiful day. And thank you for watching my share.